Okay, hi everyone. Welcome to the Young Education. So today I want to discuss the CAIE IGCSE Additional Mathematics 0006-12 Paper 1 October November 2024. Okay, now we see the question 1. Okay, now we see the question 1 first. Okay. Question 1. The curve y equals to a cos bx plus c, where a, b, and c are integers, pass through the points negative pi over 6, negative 2, and the pi over 9, 1 over 2. The curve has the period of 2 over 3 pi. Find the values of the a, b, and c. Okay, for the cos, okay, so we know one period for cos is 2 pi, right? So you can take here bx equals to 2 pi. And then the question also say the curve has the period of 2 over 3 pi. So you can put here b bracket 2 over 3 pi equals to 2 pi. Okay, and then you can start to cancel the pi 2. So you will get the answer equals to b equals to 3. Okay, so now you have y equals to a cos 3x plus c. Okay, for now we can substitute the values for those coordinates first. Okay, let's try. Okay, a cos 3x is negative pi over 6 plus c equals to negative 2. Okay, you can use your calculator to find the cos 3 negative pi over 6 first. So cos 3 multiply negative pi over 6 pi. Okay, you get 0 here, plus c equals to negative 2. So c will equals to negative 2. Okay, now we can try to use another coordinate. Okay, a cos 3 bracket pi over 9. Okay, and then here is minus 2 equals to 1 over 2. A cos is 1 over 3 pi equals to pi over 2. Okay, cos 1 over 3 pi. Okay, here is 1 over 2. A equals to 5 over 2. A will equals to 5. Okay, so you already get the values for the A, B, and C. So we can try to summarize the answers here. A equals to 5. B equals to 3. C equals to negative 2. Let's see the next question. Find the least value of y on the curve for x between 0 until pi over 2 and state the value of the h which this will occurs. Okay, you see this keyword, least value, right? This value, what's the mean? Minimum value. Okay, for the cos, okay, what is the minimum value? Yes, it actually is equals to negative 1. Negative 1. Okay, so you can try to calculate. Okay, wait a minute. So negative 1, right? Of the y, negative 1. Okay, so you can take cos 3x equals to negative 1. Okay, so you can find, okay, reference angle three x equals to if cos 1 is 0 and 0, But you see that it's -1, right? So 3x actually is at pi. So you can take x equals to pi over 3. Okay, why? Okay, you try, look here. This is your cost graph, right? So this is your minimum value here. Actually at pi. Okay, so you can take pi divided by 3. Okay, and then now we already know the value of the a and c, right? So you can take y equals to a, actually is 5, right? Here is -1, c is -2. So equals to -7. Because the output value for the cos 3x equals to -1. Okay, and then 5 and -2 we're using back from question or answer part A. Okay, we already finished. Now let's see the question 2. Okay, is the given that y equals to fx, where the fx equals to 2x minus 5, x minus 1 squared. Find the coordinate of the stationary point on the curve y equals to fx. Okay, for the first thing is, we know stationary point is, what's that mean? dy dx or, okay, first prime equals to 0. So you need to differentiate it, right? But okay, you can do two ways by use the first method. Okay, I will use product rules. Okay, if you want to expand, okay, also can, no problem. But I'm lazy to expand, so I just use product rules. Okay, so you can write here f x equals to, okay, I differentiated for this 2x minus 1, you will get 2. And then you copy back x minus 1 square. Here I write product rule plus, okay, 2 bracket x minus 1. Okay, and here differentiated 1 again. Bracket 2x minus 5. So you will get 2 bracket x minus 1 squared plus 2 bracket x minus 1, 2x minus 5. Okay, now I can try to differentiate, not differentiate, factorize 2x minus 1. Okay, and here I will leave x minus 1, right? Plus 2x minus 5. So 2 bracket x minus 1, so 2x plus x, 3x minus 6. Okay, I can try to factorize out again, so I will get 6 bracket x minus 1, x minus 2. Okay, so I did get in simplified form. Okay, so okay, now we already know first differentiated equals to 0, right? So you can take 6 bracket x minus 1, x minus 2 equals to 0, right? So you can write here x equals to 1, x equals to 2. Okay, now you can use your calculator to find the value of the y. Okay, so you can take 2 bracket 1 minus 5, 1 minus 1 square. Okay, basically you get 0. Okay, here is -1. Okay, so you will get two answers here. Okay, stationary point are 1, 0 and 2, -1. Okay, I hope you can get it. So now we try to see the next question. Question B. Okay, on the axis, sketch the graph of the y equals to fx, stating the intercept with the axis. When you see this keyword stating the intercept with the axis, it means you need to state the y-intercept and x-intercept. So please don't forget. So let's try. Okay, now we already know we have the two stationary point here, right? Okay. Hmm. Actually, I think don't need. Okay, I try to draw the number line. Okay, now we have two stationary point here, right? But we don't know which one is maximum or minimums, right? So you need to determine. You need to know it. Okay, so you can write here. 1, and then one more is 1, and here is 2. 2, okay. So your dividers here is 0, 0. So let's try the numbers. Okay, let's say I take 6 brackets, 3 over 2 minus 1, 3 over 2 minus 2. Okay, here you will get negative value. 6 bracket 0 minus 1, 0 minus 2. Okay, here is get positive. So when you see this number line, okay, next 1, 0, they will show like maximum point. Okay, let's see the 2. So 6, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Okay, so you will get positive. So 2, negative 1 is minimum point. Okay, I hope you can get it. So I transfer it first. Okay, right here. Okay, now we try to find the y-intercept first. Y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept, it means x equals to 0. So y equals to bracket. Okay, negative 5. Negative 1 square. Okay, you will get y-intercept equals to negative 5. Okay, and then we try to find the x-intercepts. X-intercepts. So brackets 2x minus 5. X minus 1. Minus 1 square equals to 0. So you'll get two answers here. 5 over 2 and x equals to 1 here. Okay, so you already get these three informations here, right? So you can try to draw out the graph. Okay, first the graph will pass here, negative 5, let's say. And then this is your 1, and then here is your 5 over 2, right? And then we'll try to see. Okay, this is your maximum point, right? So they will show this way. And then they will start to go down. Go down. Go down, and then here. Okay, this is your minimum point, 2. And then you will intersect again here, 5 over 2. Okay? So your graph will show like this way. Okay, now I try to complete. Okay. Okay, here is 1. Negative 5. Here shows is 5 over 2. Or you also can write 2.5 also can, no problem. Okay, I hope you can get it. Let's see the question. Question C. Hence, find the values of the k for which the fk equals to k has exactly one solutions. Okay, now you need to find. Okay, what's the range or value of the k will show the exactly one solutions. Okay, you can try to draw out. Okay, let's say. Okay, now we already know this is your minimum points, right? So 2, negative 1. Let's say, okay, your y and your k less than negative 1. You see, it's one solutions, right? Okay, if k equals to negative 1, they will show two solutions. When k between um negative 1, positive, right? They will show how many solutions here? Three solutions, right? Okay, when k equals to 0, they will show two solutions. When k more than 0, also show one solution. So you have two answers here. K less than negative 1. And one more is k more than 0. Okay, so this is your answers here. Okay, let's try to the question 3. In this question, all the lengths are in centimeter and the angles are in radians. Okay, the diagram shows a circle with the center O and the radius 12. Okay, here's radius 12. And a circle with the center C and the radius is 5. The circle intersect at the points A and B such that the OA and OBs are tangent to the circle with the center C. Okay, show that the obvious angle ACB is 2.35 radius, correct to two decimal place. Okay, so let's try. Okay, because the question is already mentioned here, say OA and OB are tangent. Okay, you see here it says tangent, right? What's that mean? 90 degree. 90 degree, right? So they will happen what? Yes, here's shape is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Okay, so I hope you can get it. So, okay, you already get the right angle triangle, right? So now we need to find the angle at here, right? You can find the angle at here, but I try to let x first. We find the angle x and then we can multiply the 2. Okay, so you can take, okay, x equals to 5 is as adjacent. So adjacent 12 is opposites. So you can use tangent. Tangent x equals to, the opposite is 12. The 5 is adjacent. So you can find the angle x first. 12 divided by 5, you will get 1.176 radian. Okay, now you can find the angle ACB equals to 2 multiply 1.176. 2 multiply 1.176. Okay, so you will get the answer is 2.35 radian. Okay, I hope you can get it. Now you see the question B, find the perimeter of the shutter region. So, okay, the question says find the perimeter of shutter regions, right? So you need, okay, actually here, we already get it, right? Now you need to find arc length of the AB. Okay, so how to find the arc length of the AB? Okay, we see back the question. Okay. So it actually is C. Okay, so you can use arc length of AB. So now we try to recall back. Arc length, the formula is S equals to R theta, right? So you can use the radius is 5 cm. 5 multiply 2.35 equals to 11.75 cm. Okay, so now you can find the parameter of the shutter region. Let's try it. Equals to 12 plus 12 plus 11.75. Okay, 35.75, right? But my answer should be in 3 significant figures, so I write 35.8 cm. Okay, let's see the question C. Find the area of the shutter region. So you need to find the area of the shutter regions, right? Okay, let's try. Okay, you see here is the triangles, right? Okay, actually you also use the kite formula also can, no problems. So you can write here. Okay, never mind. You can. Okay, so I use the triangle. Wait a minute. So you can write here area of the shutter region equals to 2 multiply 1 over 2 multiply 12 multiply 5 minus, okay, minus, okay, you see here is sectors, right? So you can take 1 over 2 because we know area of the sector is 1 over 2 r square theta. So multiply 5 square multiply 2.35. Okay, so you will get the answers here. So 12 multiply 5, you will get 16 minus 1 over 2 multiply 5 square multiply 2.35. So 29.375. 16 minus 29.375, you will get 13.625 cube square. But I write the answer in 3 significant figures, so I write 13.6 cm square cm. Okay, I hope you can get it. Okay, let's try the question 4. Okay, the function f is such that fx equals to 4 ln 3x minus 2 for the x more than a, where the a is as small as possible. Write down the value of the a. Okay, we know for this part, right, cannot equals to 0, right? Okay, so you can write here 3x minus 2 equals to 0 first, x equals to 2 over 3. So your a should be equals to 2 over 3. And then what is the range of the f? So you can write here fx subset to the real numbers. Okay, now let's try to the part 3. Okay, find the inverse stating is not domain and the range. Okay, so we see how to it. So we also let inverse equals to y. X equals to f y. Okay, so you can write here x equals to 4 ln 3y minus 2. ln 3y minus 2 equals to 1 over 4x. 3y minus 2 equals to e 1 over 4x. Okay, so you can write here 3y equals to 2 plus e 1 over 4x. So you can write here y equals to 1 over 3 bracket e 1 over 4x plus 2. So you can find your inverse equals to 1 over 3 e 1 over 4x plus 2. Okay, so your domain of inverse equals to x subset to the real numbers. Range of inverse is y more than 2 over 3. Why? Because we already know domain fx will equals to range inverse. Range fx will equals to domain inverse fx. So I hope you can get it. Okay, let's try the part 4. On the axis, sketch the graph of the y equals to fx and y equals to inverse, stating the intercept the axis. So, okay, now you need to start to draw. So how to draw? Okay, let's try. Okay, 2 over 3. So, okay, right here. Okay, 2 over 3. Okay, this is your wait a minute. Okay. Okay, this is your logarithm graph. Okay, now I need to sketch the exponent graph. Okay, so they will show like this way. Okay, but don't forget to label the y equals to fx and y equals to inverse fx. Okay, because some students they will forget to label it. Okay, and then here you also need to label 1. And here is positive 1. Okay, I hope you can get it. Okay, let's see the question B. Given that gx equals to, okay, 2x plus 1 power 1 over 2 plus 4. Okay, for x more than 0. Solve the equations. Okay, composite ggx equals to 9. Okay, so you need to doing the composite functions. Okay, so here square root 2 square root again. Oh, 2x plus 4. Okay, plus 1 plus 4. And then here is also plus 1 plus 4. Okay. Two square root 2x plus 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 4. So it goes to square root 2 square root 2x plus 1 plus 9 plus 4. Okay, so now you don't get it. So now let's try. Okay, I write here 2 square root 2x plus 1 plus 9 plus 4 equals to 9. Okay, so let's try. 2 bracket and square root 2x plus 1 plus 9 equals to 5. Okay, so you will get 25 2 square root 2x plus 1 plus 9. So 2 here is 2x plus 1 equals to, what is the value here? Okay, 16. Okay, 16. So square root 2x plus 1 equals to 8. Okay, 2x plus 1 equals to 64. 64, yes. 2x equals to 63. So x will equals to 63 divided by 2. You will get the answer is 31.5. Okay, or your answer also can write in this in the fractions 63 over 2. Okay, so now we going to the next question, question 5. Okay, this is a trigonometric question. Okay, show that 1 plus cos square over cos equals to 6. Okay, so how do we? Okay, let's try. 1 plus, okay, forgot. Left hand side equals to 1 plus cot square theta over cot square theta equals to 1 over cot square theta plus 1. Okay, here because tangent will become as tangent square theta plus 1 will equals to 6 square. Okay, so you already get it. Now let's look at the B. Write down the derivative of the tangent with respectively to the theta. Okay. Okay, now we need doing the differentiations. So you can write here d theta tangent will equals to sec square theta. C, using the part A and part B, find the exact value of the, okay, integrate 1 over 3 pi 0, 1 plus cos square minus cos minus sine theta. Okay, now we try to simplify first. Okay. Okay, integrate 1 over 3 pi 0. Okay, bracket 1 plus cot square theta over cos square theta, right? Minus sine theta d theta. For this part, you can using the sec square. Okay, so you can write here integrate 1 over 3 pi 0. Okay, sec square minus sine theta dt. Okay, here you can directly to get tangent. Okay, now we try to remember again. Sine theta dt you will get is negative cos theta plus c, right? So you can write here minus bracket minus cos theta over 1 over 3 pi 0. Okay, so equals to tangent theta plus cos theta 1 over 3 pi 0. Okay, you can first find the tangent 1 over 3 pi plus cos 1 over 3 pi minus tangent 0 plus cos 0. Okay, here is 1 plus 2 square root 3 over 2. Okay, minus cos is 1. Okay, so you get 1 here. So you can try to subtract 2. Okay, so 1 minus 2. Okay, okay, 2 square root 3 minus 1 over 2. And then we try to simplify, you will get the answer is square root 3 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so this is your answer here. Okay, let's try going to the question 6. Okay, find the descending power of the x. Be careful this sentence because the question for the past paper they always ask ascending powers, right? So please be careful. You need to start maximum what's power here? X power 10 first, not uh not x like maybe power 1 or x power 2 first. Okay, you need to start x power 10 first. Okay, the first three terms in the expansion of the x plus 2 over x squared power 10 simplify each term as far as possible. Okay, when you are doing these questions, okay, please remember the formulas. Okay, so you can write here, wait a minute. Okay. binomial formula, binomial expansions. So you can write here. Okay, let's say a plus b, here is x, right? So you can write here ax plus n, actually it's n, n, nc1, a n minus 1, b power n. Okay, I hope we can understand this formula. Now question says they want to start descending. It means I need to start x power 10 first. X power 10 plus 10c1. Okay, here is x power 9 bracket 2 over x squared here plus 10c2 x power 8 bracket 2 over x squared plus dot dot dot. Okay, so you can write here x power 10 plus 10c1 multiply 2. So you will get 20x power 7 plus, okay, square, you will get 118 x power 4. So, okay, x power 4 here. Okay, so let's try the question B. Find the terms independent of the x in the expansion of bracket 4x squared plus 1 over 2x squared is power 8. Okay, so the first thing is, you see this keyword independent of the x, right? So it means the x power 0, okay? And then you need to using the formula for this part. Equals to NCRP RQ N minus R. Okay, so you can try here. You can take x squared, okay, power R, bracket x negative 2 8 minus r. Okay, 8 minus r equals to x power 0. So you can write here x 2r bracket x negative 16 plus 2r equals to x power 0. So you can write here x 4r minus 16 equals to x power 0. So 4r minus 16 equals to 0. 4r equals to 16, r will equals to 4. Okay, so you already get the r equals to 4, right? So you can try here. Okay, 4 plus 1 terms equals to 8c4. Okay, p, you can use 4x squared. Here is power 4. Bracket, q is 1 over 2x squared. 8 minus 4, power 4. So 8c4, you will get 17. Bracket 4, okay, 256 x power 8. Okay, x power 8. And then here, 1 over 16 x power 8. Okay, so you can try to cancel here. 17 multiply 256 multiply 1 over 16. So you will get the answer equals to 1120. Okay, so this is your answers here. Okay. Okay, let's look at the question 7. Okay, it is given that y equals to ln bracket 3x squared minus 1 over x plus 2 for x more than 1 over square root 3 when the x equals to 1. Y is increasing at the rate of the h units per seconds. Okay, find the terms of the h, the corresponding rate of the change in x, giving your answer in exact forms. Okay, so when you do these questions, all right, so we try to analyze the equation first. Okay, you try to look the second question, second sentence. Okay, the question says x equals to 1, right? Y is increasing at the rate of the h unit per second. So you need to write this way. dy dt. Okay, dy dt equals to h. Okay, h unit per second. Okay, and then now you need to find the dx over dt. Okay, so what is your dx over dt here? Okay, you see the question is asked rate of the change, right? So you can try to relate the dy dx equals to dy dt multiply dt over ds. So we can try to relate the yes change rule. Yeah, we can try to relate to the change rules here. So what should you do? Yes, you need to differentiate it for this equation first. Okay, when you see these equations, right, you need to using the quotient rules. Okay, you need to using the quotient rules. Quotient rule. Okay, so you can write here y equals to ln 3x squared minus 1 over x plus 2. dy dx equals to, okay, x plus 2 squared. Copy it here again, bracket over 3x squared minus 1. Here you will get 6x here. Minus, okay, minus, okay, here is 1. ln 3x minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so I hope you can get it. Now we need to find the value of the dy dx first. We need to find the value of the dy dx. Okay, so you can write here when x equals to 1. Okay, you can write here dy dx equals to 1 plus 2 bracket 6 1 over 3 1 square minus 1 minus ln 3 is 1 square minus 1. Okay, and then over here 1 plus 2 square. So let's try. Okay, so you can using your calculator to find the value. Okay, please make sure write your answer in exact value. Okay, so you can write here 9 minus ln 2 over 9 here. Okay, so you can write here 9 minus ln 2 over 9. dy dt is h, right? Multiply dt over dx. Okay, so you can write here dt over dx equals to 9 minus ln 2 over 9h. So you will get dx over dt equals to 9h over 9 minus ln 2. Okay, so I hope you can remember, get it? Okay. Okay, let's look at the question A. The tangents to the curve y equals to e power x to x plus 5 power 1 over 2. At the point where x equals to 2 makes the x-axis at the point x and the y-axis at the point y. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of the xy and give your answer in the exact forms. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay, so maybe I'll try. Okay, I try. Okay, maybe this is your curve, right? Your curve y equals to ex 2x plus 5 1 over 2, right? And then this is your tangent. Okay, your tangent, they will intersect at, okay, these are just sketching only. I am not sure. Okay, they will intersect. Okay, x here and here is y. Okay, I need to find the midpoint of the y. It means I need to find the coordinate x and y first. After that, I can find the midpoint of the xy. Okay, so let's try. Add the 2. So it means here 2. X equals to 2. So you can take y equals to ex bracket 2x plus 5 1 over 2. Okay, so you need to using the product rules to find dy dx. Okay, so products rule. Dy dx equals to ex. Okay, here you will get 1 over 2 bracket 2x plus 5. Negative 1 over 2 differentiated for the 2x plus 5. Here is 2. Plus again. Okay, you differentiated ex again. So you write here 2x plus 5, 1 over 2. Okay, so you can write here, okay, ex over square root 2x plus 5 plus ex square root 2x plus 5. Okay, so now we try to find the value of the dy dx. So when the x equals to 2, so you can write here dy dx will equals to e squared over 2, 2 plus 5 plus e squared 2, 2 plus 5. So here actually is you get 9, right? 1 over 3 e squared plus 3 e squared. Okay, so you will get the answer 3 plus 1 over 3, you will get 10 over 3 e squared here. Okay, so now you already get 10 e squared over 3, right? Okay. So now you already know the gradient of the tangents. Gradient of the tangent equals to 10 over 3 e squared. Okay, so you already get. Now you need to find the coordinate where the x equals to 2. Okay, so you can write here. You can take out first. Okay, I try to find y equals to e squared bracket 2 bracket 2 plus 5 1 over 2. 9 square root you will get 3e squared. Okay, so you can using the y minus y1 equals to m bracket x minus x1. So y minus 3e squared equals to 10 over 3e squared bracket x minus 2. So y equals to 10 over 3e squared x minus 20 over 3e squared plus 3e squared. So y equals to 10 over 3e squared x. 3 minus 20 over 3 minus 11 over 3e squared. Okay, so you already get these equations, right? Okay, so let's try. Find the values, find the coordinate of the x and y. Okay, x-axis, so it means 0. So 10, okay, for the point, x. Okay, so you can take 10 over 3 e squared x equals to 11 over 3 e squared. So you can start to cancel 3 here. Okay, your x will equals to 11 over 10. Okay, for the point y. Okay, y equals to 10 over 3 e squared, 0 minus 11 over 3 e squared. So you will get the answer equals to negative 11 over 3 e squared. Okay, so you did get this value. So it means the point that will happens at here. Let's try thinking. Okay. positive, okay, this negative. Okay, so they happen like this way. 0, okay, y negative 11 over 3 squared. And here is 11 over 10. Okay, so I hope you can get it. So now we're trying to find the midpoint of the xy. Midpoint of xy equals to, okay, 11 over 10 plus 0 divided by 2. Okay, negative 11 over 3 square plus 0 divided by 2. So you will get the answer is 11 over 20. Negative 11 square over 6. Okay, so this is your answers. As you can see, the steps I think is quite long, right? I know a lot of the students they were hard to start to answer these questions. So please see back again. Okay. If you cannot understand, I think you can try to repeat the videos again. Okay. And then we try look at the question 9. I can say the paper 1, 2 is quite more tough paper because you see got 2 questions. It's 8 marks here. So I think the student they will be hard to score for this paper. Okay. And then let's try to see the question 9. The diagram shows the path of the curve y equals to 4 over 2x plus 1. Okay. And the straight line 2y equals to 6x plus 1. Find the area of the scatter region. Give your answer in the form ln a plus b. Okay, where a is an integer, b is rational numbers. Okay, so you need to make sure follow these instructions. Okay, let's try to find. Now we need to find the area of the scatter regions, right? Okay, now we need to find the, yes, point of the intersection first. Let's try. Okay, so you see 2y equals to 6x plus 1, right? Y equals to 4 over 2x plus 1. Okay, this is your second equation. This is your first equation. So I can take the second equation, substitute into the first equation. So 2 bracket 4 over 2x plus 1 equals to 6x plus 1. Okay, 8 equals to bracket 2x plus 1, 6x plus 1. Okay, 8 equals to, here you will get 12x squared plus 2x plus 6x plus 1. 0, 0 equals to 12x squared plus 8x plus 1 minus 8, I will get 7 here. Okay, so let's try doing the factorizations. Okay, right here, 12x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals to 0. So I try using the factorization first. Okay, 7, 7, 1, 7. Okay. Now I need to get the 8's right. So okay, I can write here 2x, 6x. Okay, because here I can get, yes. Oh, actually it's negative 7. Sorry. Negative 7. Okay, so I need to get, yes, negative 7. So I need to get positive 14 minus 6. So I will get positive 8. So positive, here's negative. 2x minus 1, 6x plus 7 equals to 0. Okay, 14x minus 6x. Okay, so I get two answers here. X equals to 1 over 2, x equals to negative 7 over 6, right? But you see here, the point intersection is x more than 0, right? So you should be ignore for the negative value. Okay, so your answer is x equals to 1 over 2 here. Okay, so let's try the find the y value. So here is 1 over 2, right? So let's try to find the y coordinate. 4 over 2 bracket 1 over 2 plus 1. Cancel, cancel. So 4, 1, okay, you will get y equals to 2. So your coordinate of the point intersection is 1 over 2, 2. Okay, so you already get this part, right? So now we can start to find the area of the shattered regions here. Okay, now you can see for this curve, right? This curve, right? You can use area of under the curve. It means you can using the integration to find the area under the curve for y equals to 4 over 2x plus 1, right? And then minus for what? Minus for the area of the trapezium. Yes, you can see this is your area trapeziums, right? So you can use the area of the trapeziums. Now we try to find the y-intercept for 2y equals to 6x plus 1. So, okay, you can write here 2y equals to 6x plus 1. Y equals to 3x plus 1 over 2. So your y-intercept here is actually 1 over 2 here. So now we try to find the area of the shattered regions. Area of the shattered regions. Okay, equals to integrate. Okay, 1 over 2, 0 here. 1 over 2, here's 0, right? So, okay, we can take the curve 4 over 2x plus 1 dx minus, okay, you see here is area of the trapeziums, right? So 1 over 2 multiply, okay, 1 over 2 plus 2. 1 over 2 plus 2. 1 over 2 plus 2, and then multiply 1 over 2 here again. So you can write here, integrate. So I can try to take out two values here, 1 over 2, 0, 2 over 2x plus 1 dx minus 1 over 2 multiply 5 over 2 multiply 1 over 2 again. So I will get 5 over 8 here. So we're equals to 2. I draw the big bracket. Ln 2x plus 1. 1 over 2, 0 minus 5 over 8. Okay, equals to 2. Okay, ln 2 bracket 1 over 2 plus 1. Minus ln 2 bracket 0 plus 1. Minus 5 over 8 here. Okay, so let's try. Okay, equals to 2. Here you will get ln 2. So minus, because you will get 0 minus 5 over 8. So equals to 2 ln 2 minus 5 over 8. But you see back the question. Question say they want the form in this form, right? So please write here. Okay, so you can take ln 2 square minus 5 over 8 equals to ln 4 minus 5 over 8 here. Okay, so now we try look at the next questions. Okay, I think the question 10 also is quite hard. Okay, question 10 is the first three terms of the arithmetics projection are 2 tangent 2x, 5 tangent 2x, 8 tangent 2x. Find the value of the x where the x between negative 180 degree until 180 degree, which for which the sum to the 13 terms is 455 square root 3. Okay, so now we try list out first. The first term is 2 tangent 2x, right? And then your common difference is 3 tangent 2x. Okay, that's very important. We need to know it. And then you see the question says S13 equals to 455, right? Square root 3. Okay. Now you see the, okay, tangent 2x, right? So you need to multiply 2x 360 degree, negative 360 degree. Okay. So you try right here. Okay, now we try to memorize, recall back the formula. N over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d here. Okay, so we just follow. So you can take 13 divided by 2. 2 bracket 2 tangent 2a here plus 29 3 tangent 2x equals to 455 square root 3. Okay, so here you will get 15 4 tangent 2x plus 29 multiply 3, you will get 87 tangent 2x equals to 455 square root 3. Okay, so I can take 4 plus 87, so 15 bracket 91 tangent 2x equals to 455 square root 3. Okay, tangent 2x equals to 455 over 15 multiplied 91. You will get square root over 3, square root 3 over 3. Okay, so you already get this way, right? So now we can try to find out the reference angle. Reference angle 2x equals to, okay, inverse tangent square root 3 over 3 equals to, okay, because degree, right? So I need to make sure, okay, equals to 13 degree. Okay, let's try. Because you see here, tangent is show is positive way, right? So, okay, now we can try to find, okay, for the positive tangents, right? For in first quadrant and second quadrants. Okay, now we try to look at the negative 360 first. Okay, this is your reference angle. Reference angle. Okay, reference angle first. Let's try. Okay. Okay, 2x equals to negative 2 pi. Not negative. Negative 360 degree plus 13. Why? Because, okay, you can see from here, I turn around here, right? It is 360 degree, but I push here about 13 degrees. So actually, I need to plus 13 degrees here. Okay, so brackets negative 180 degree plus 13 degrees. So we already get two answers here. And then we see the positive. Okay, positive is quite more easy. So take 13 degrees and then 180 degree plus 13. Okay, so here you will get, right, 330 degrees, negative 115 degrees, 300 degrees, 210 degrees. So you can divide it by 2. So you will get the answer is negative 165 degree, negative 75 degree, 15 degree. You will get, okay, 105 degree. So this is your working step for the question 10A. And then now we try to look at the last. I know this question is quite tough, but you see it's quite 6 marks here, right? So okay, let's see. The first three terms of the geometry projections are phi cos square theta minus pi over 2. 20 cos power 4 theta minus pi over 2, 18 cos power 6 theta minus pi over 2, where the theta is between negative 6 pi over 6 and 7 pi over 6. Find the value of the theta for which this geometry position has to sum to infinity. Okay, when it's this keyword sum to infinity, we need to also know uh, the common ratios. They will have the betweens -1 and +1, right? So the important thing is we need to find the common ratio first. So you can take R equals to 20 cos, here's power 4, right? Theta minus pi over 2 over 5 cos square theta minus pi over 2. So you will get equals to 4 cos square theta minus pi over 2 here. Okay, so you can take again, you can take 4 cos square theta minus pi over 2 between, okay, between 1 and -1 here. Okay, so let's try. Okay, because I think this is quite more difficult. Okay, okay, so I can try to take 4 cos square theta minus pi over 2 equals to 1 first. Okay. And then theta minus 1 over 6 pi. Yes, theta 7 over 6 pi. Seven over 6 minus 1 over 2. 2 over 3 pi. Negative 2 over 3 pi here. Okay. So 2 over 3 multiply 180 degree. Actually here is 120 degree. Negative 120 degree. So let's try cos square theta minus pi over 2 equals to 1 over 4. So cos square theta minus pi over normal square here minus pi over 2 equals to positive and negative 1 over 2. Okay. So your reference angle equals to, okay, inverse cos 1 over 2, you will get the answer equals to 1 over 3, right? 1 over 3 pi here. Okay, so let's try. Okay, 1 over 3 pi. Okay, because, okay, if for pause, let's find the negative first. Cos negative. And never mind. Okay, 16 degree, 16 degree, 16, and here's 16. And then you can see, okay, they can maximum until negative 100 degrees, right? Okay, So because say all can use, okay. Okay, so I can take negative 2 over 3 pi first. Mm, negative 1 over 3 pi here again. And then 1 over 3 pi. And the last is 2 over 3 pi. Okay, now I can find the theta first. Negative 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2 pi negative 1 over 6 pi. Okay, negative 1 over 3 pi plus 1 over 2 pi, you will get positive 1 over 6 pi. Okay, positive 1 over 3 pi plus 1 over 2 pi, you will get 5 over 6 pi here. Okay, 2 over 3 pi plus 1 over 2 pi, you will get 7 over 6 pi. Okay, so we already get these four values here, right? But we need doing in a set of the value. So how you doing in the set of the values? So let's try. Okay, wait a minute. Cos theta minus 1 over 2 pi equals to negative 1 over 2 pi. And then here is cos theta minus 1 over 2 pi equals to positive 1 over 2 pi. Okay. Wait a minute, I try it. Wait a minute, I try thinking first. Okay. Okay, so your final answer is negative 1 over 6 pi. Okay, theta 1 over 6 pi here. Okay, this is for excluding 0. And then the last is 5 over 6 pi. Theta 7 over 6 pi. Okay, excluding pi's here. Okay, wait a minute, I need to checking my final answer first. Okay, so we already discussed until here today. And then thank you watching for my this video. Okay, if you like this video, please share this video for your friends and please stay tuned for the next video. Okay, so we see you in the next video. So goodbye.